So they lost the kidney that was supposed to go to a patient, and the patient was waiting for this kidney.
What happened was this cancer patient had his kidney removed so they can track the cancer and how to treat it.
Yeah.
And after his operation, he was told the kidney is gone.
Where was this?
In Durban, the Netcare St. Augustine Hospital.
So, sidenda beyibhlungu.
Kwenzakalani?
Iphaphu lakho lahlekile. Bathi asazi lithoba. Bese kunobhuta ukuthi nempilo njani? Lahleka kanjani? Litho njani? Lizambele. Sakushontsha izitho zomzimba la. Thatha lam. Sikhiba kanjani?
Oh, shame, man. This is just too horrible.
Like my kidneys. Oh, bravo.
No, but that's just wrong.
No, man.
That's just wrong.
Asibeke kahle bravo. Kungabe ngathi le kidney lahleke ePitori or eGaranko. Ha, ilahleke eNatal. Abazulu aqalile ke.
Fake bondi.
Wazungikhalela. Pep, awunje wenzani emsebenzini? Sebenza ngeyibindi. Sebenza ngeyibindi nezinto. Hawu. Hey kudala ngicela isibindi. Yazi emsebenzini bravo emsebenzini unokuhlala nama DJ tapop man this is my new song play from Vistas play from Fingers amajita now pop ngipushela so like that's what you do when you go to work emotions ama sweet in ubuya nama sweet usesitero usebenza theater indoda ke awungitshela wasibonga emsebenzini nenzani asebenza ngeyibindi baba sayikhipha nje igas sesini kabanye abantu hawo ngakusho ngiphathe nje insonyana nje siyasiwosa la nje sithosa nje weekend hlale nje siphuze kube mnandi sithokoze nje sisidle ibindi yes yeah hey simnandi ube mnikazi bathi awukhona sakhwehlela hawo unesinye phakathi awuphinde phela yazi ungaphela esibhedlela baloko bakutshontsha kancane umuntu akanazandla isandla limnandi lethambo badlala ndange left hand mina bravo indaba zephola ngiziyekile bafethu ayingabe bo like this year yeah ngizobona next year like iphola like iParis ngenze nokuphatha iappendix yes bravo Paris kenzo uvula iappendix like an appendix manje ayifani yakudala appendix manje bravo bonokhipha appendix usala ngathi uneshashaza kuphela la kuba ngadown ephimbulinya eyakudala yazi apartheid joke apartheid yazi unokukhipha appendix ube ngathi uyindoda ube ngathi ucida uthola ama triplets crash bravo biyawazi ama operation uyawazi kakuphatha riding une crash ama operation yakhona iziyena siendelalela iappendix iphathe siswini emuva une crash abelungu abasithatha serious that's ngapartheid bravo siyabonga kubantu abasilwele sinasabe apartheid dala business defense ekaso sibuze yini lento le like umuntu wathi yini umuntu uphathe yini lento i-brain tumor brain tumor dala bebaqhaqa inhloko ngathi Christina bakhipha ukhobo bakhipha yonke into bakufaka izenke lomkhukhu lezenke manje bakunikeza yini into zengezi ama imithi bayidrain i-brain tumor bayidrain kancane ube right bakubuza ukuthi are you ready to go to surgery if you can't go we'll give you medication that will last you what 2 years dala bugibela taxi ngo11 ngimba phone ngo11 manje sibhedlela bathi usa ICU abang uziyele wena gogo athi ubhekele brain tumor ukuthi kwenzakala la esibhedlela mawufike chopho abazi babekephi emiyazi ibhekela zelokishini mathu tshwana ubuchopho baka James ngifake commission ayitshwana udobje kufuna uthathe elinye ihlanya lo sidlala ngobuchopho oh no I want you guys to go to a public hospital nihlale nibukele into sizala lapha mina ngazi ukusajele lapha uhlala ngama drip manje dlala ngedrip umgusha ngedrip badlale igusha ngomntu badlale umgusha ngedrip le machine ethi tup ayisebenzi ine shot like ngathi generator like and abantu bakuvakashele yaba irritate angasikhona ukucima kancane mhlambe sikubone sihambe madangeke phela sikhona ukubamba amafoni wethu manje ulala kanjani mara umshini okuze ngathi ugundi tjani ngathi umshini ogundi tjani la hello tup une shot ni 3 connected ni 3 kulo mshini ni 3 blood pressure iyafana nonke 125/87 nonke bathi kula high blood mara be right msizolo umshini usebenza out detect ukuthi yesterday what was yesterday
International Nurses Day.
Yes.
for which nurses
All of
How
them.
all international.
ngicela ukuthi nikhumbule ukuthi mina nana sifani ni ku industry for isikhathi eside nina ama medical aid nini I mean laba selokishini aba deserve international
Bas.
abasanga into yala
Basanga yo.
brapa abo nurse abasanga when brapa bonga esibhedlela wena and womile amanzi you'll press that button labo qing they'll come four nurses running Mr. Mapayana what's wrong and like I'm thirsty oh sorry sir do you want your water with ice or sparkling with ice and sparkling
Enana.
thina oqala lebhela isasebenzi le oyipressa ayisebenzi bazwa nurse nurse avumbuka phela sikwe peanut butter yini ngisadla mos ho nywes yani nyadla ho yo nemhlolo yami ngomile manje ngenzeni mina ngiyimpompi mina mangibhekile mina asisigubsa amanzi mina yo mafuna amanzi hakse empompini uye empompini ngale gown yakhe green and white ivulekile ngapha emuva awumbashanga into yala uthi uvula amanzi awekho uza ngehlanya lethi ngwacimile there's always one crazy person in wardini ngiwacimela amanzi awekho unesathi hey ukubiza ngegama ukubiza ngento ekuphethe hey TP buya uthela abanye abantwana into zeni buya International Nurse Day okwenzani abaye umahlamba injection abantu abafuna event bathi umsipha bafuna lapho kunomsipha bahlohla yonke into drip yakho bheka ukhala kanjani nginjection ngowakhali kanje ngithi uphethe abantwana ngidla abantwana bheka unjani manje bheka sesekubeka ngaphandle ngathi uyispeaker
Oh my word! But we have to say thank you to those.
To those that do their job, congratulations and enjoy it. To laba abanye hayi nonke